Right, let's get on with this lesson then. So let's do another surah. So again, ba, sin, and mi. So draw them up and have a go yourselves. Try and pronounce them. So bis, mi, and then you have the word over there. So join that together with that word. So bismillahi, and then try and break down the words. They're a bit different when they're written all together, but if you try and break them down, understand them all together. So ar-rahmani, and then again ar-rahimi. So if you join them together, so let's join it from there. So hir-rahmanir-rahim. So have a go at pronouncing it. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Okay, next. So we have qu and the la, qul, qul. Join them together. And then we have a'udhu, a'udhu. Join them together. So qul a'udhu. And then we have bi rabbi, bi rabbi. And then an-nasi, an-nasi. Put the vowels. So try writing yourself as well. You know, it does help a lot of people. So bi rabbin nasi, maliki, maliki, an-nasi, malikin nasi, ilahi nasi. So we've done this word before. So again, have a go again. Ilahin. So let's read it together. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس. Try it again. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس. Okay, so min, and then sharri. Shar, remember there's two ra's there. Shadda. Sharri. Al-was, wasi, was, wasi. Join them together. So min sharril waswasi, khannasi, khannasi. Okay, so min sharril waswasil khannasi, alladhi yuwaswisu, yuwaswisu fi okay, so let's try and join them together. So min sharril waswasil khannasi alladhi yuwaswisu fi. So say it together. Min sharril waswasil khannasil ladhi yuwaswisu fi. Okay, so do join them together. nasi. Notice this word repeats itself again and again. So sudurin nasi. Min. Okay, read it short there. Jinnati. Minal jinnati. Wan nasi. Minal jinnati wan nasi. Let's join it together. So sudurin nasi minal jinnati wan nasi. So you can have a go yourself, pause it, stop it, have a go yourself, go through these verses inshallah and try it for yourselves. I hope you guys have benefited from this, learned from this, and inshallah you will learn and you'll improve day by day. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.